Hi, my name is Andy and I want to welcome you to Gibson Square. And I'd like to give you an update today of what we've been up to in the last few months. As you can see, we're flying the form on the South Tower, and we're on the 15th floor, where we have, actually now we have 27 floors left to do. And on the North Tower, we have 26 floors left to do. Lots of activities with the concrete because it will be going on for a little while longer yet. So you can see the progress of the building is going quite well. And on top of that, we have the precast that's started and the windows that have started. And it gets quite exciting when you have windows and precast starting, because now we can start interior work. Here's a great example of the precast that we have here. These are the hooks where it gets craned in. These are poured into the precast, and when you see the precast flying in the air, this is where it's all hooked up to. And as you can see, the glass is coming along quite well. I'm quite pleased the way everything is going with the glass installation and the precast. As you've seen, there's lots happening on the site. We're pouring concrete on the South Tower, we're doing precast, we're doing windows, and I sure look forward to showing you next time what will be happening in your suites.